So we just got done with an online hearing and now we are rushing to 30,000 courts for another matter. And something very interesting happened in this particular court proceeding today, which I wanted to talk about right now in more of a vlog kind of a setup. So arguments were heard in a matter which has already been dragged on needlessly for quite a long time, and suddenly the judge said, all right, I am reserving the matter for orders on this particular date, approximately a week from now. And what happened was, I instinctively, because I've been doing it ever so often, the moment the judge said I'm fixing it for orders, I protested and I said, my lord, may please dispose of the matter today itself. And I did not go on to say the reason why I objected to another date being given, because of the fact that almost always whenever a judge says I am fixing the matter for orders on another date, the judge will write in the order sheet, I am fixing the matter for order/further arguments, which means basically that the judge is not interested in passing any orders. The judge doesn't maybe want to read the file, maybe does not want to, it's a controversial case, does not want to pass a decision which would then be challenged in an appellate court, and that judge's order may be set aside by the appellate court. And because of either of these reasons, the judge says fixed for further orders/arguments. And of course, one more reason is sometimes that the judge has too much of a workload in front of him at that particular day, and that's why they are fixing the matter. See, if it's the last of the three, it is completely fine if you are actually going to pass orders on the next date of hearing, or if there is some clarification which is needed. And by the way, I made a mistake. For fixed for orders/further arguments is not there. It's usually fixed for further order/clarifications. And in the name of this clarification, the judge always posts the matter again and again and adjourns the matter again and again. Now, the Delhi High Court also has severely deprecated this practice. I don't remember the name of the judgment, but the Delhi High Court said that this practice adopted by district court judges in Delhi of fixing the matter for orders/further clarifications cannot be used as an excuse by the judge to needlessly drag on the matter for months and sometimes even years. Yet, I see it happening ever so often. And now, if I quote this judgment before this district court judge, I know that the discretion almost on all days being in the hands of the trial court judge, whatever reasoning this trial court judge wants to adopt, he or she can, and in all probability will, if I act smart, orders will be passed against me. And that is why I don't really mention it, but I can lament it in front of all of you guys on the internet, and that is what I'm doing right now. Interestingly though, my client, who has been dealing with this particular same judge since the past almost 2 years, and I've been recently engaged as a counsel, told me that this particular judge almost always, at least in this particular client's matters, always fixes the matter for orders on a particular date and is nice enough to actually pass orders on that date and not drag it on further using the excuse of fixed for orders/clarifications like the other judges. And when my client told me that, I thought about how I have now imbibed it in me to protest whenever the judge says fixed for further orders/clarifications, because I know that the matter which can be disposed of very, very quickly, or which does not need any more deliberation, yet the judge, for any of the aforementioned reasons, will keep dragging it on. And so yes, if there's a lesson to be learnt, it is this: if in the Delhi district courts a judge is going to record in the order sheet pass further for order/further clarification, you may very well prepare yourself and the client that in all probability the judge plans to drag this on for a little more time.